Watch how gold and copper transform this green base into something almost liquid, almost alive. Welcome back to the Art of Yaomi. Today I'll be starting with a rich green base and building into metallic tones using gold, copper, and light green. I want this piece to feel warm, reflective, and full of movement. Green feels grounding, almost like nature holding everything in place. But when you introduce metallics like gold and copper, it shifts the energy. It becomes more elevated, more luxurious. And sometimes it only takes one unexpected color to change everything. I'm starting with stacked puddles of gold, copper, and light green on top of the green base. Layering like this allows the colors to interact before movement even begins. Now I'm using the blow dryer to push the paint outward. I'm guiding the movement, not forcing it, letting the metallic stretch and expand across the surface. Metallic paints behave differently than flat colors. They reflect light, shift as they dry, and create dimension through shimmers instead of just contrast. So even if it looks soft now, it will evolve as the painting cures. I'm adding more gold, copper, light green, and a touch of red. That red is subtle, but it changes everything. It adds warmth, contrast, and just enough tension to keep the composition interesting. Now I'm going in with my fingers. I'm gliding through the paint to create a focal point, shaping curved lines that pull the eye inward. This is where the painting starts to feel intentional. I glide through the paint with my fingers over and over again, refining those curves and strengthening the focal area. Sometimes you have to revisit the same movement more than once to get the balance right. I let the paint settle, making small adjustments where needed, then clean the sides so the composition wraps cleanly around the canvas. Now you can see it, green grounding the piece, metallic gold and copper catching the light, and a subtle red adding contrast and character. This is what I love about fluid art. You start with a plan, but the paint always has something to say. If you enjoyed creating this piece with me, like and subscribe. Stay creative and remember to keep painting your life with the colors that inspire you.